late.
Opposition Congress has expressed discontentment over the short duration of the upcoming autumn session of the Meghalaya Assembly scheduled to begin from September 15th. Congress leader and opposition chief whip Saling Sama said that duration of 5 days for the session is too short. In such a short time, public grievances cannot be discussed, as there are several issues that need to be discussed. He added that issues like job preservation policy, interstate border dispute with Assam, and even matters concerning education sector need to be discussed in detail. According to the Congress leader, the session should at least span over 15 to 20 days.
Public grievances has brought before us. There are lots of issues that need to be considered and debated and discussed. This is the only ground and the place where we can highlight every problem, not only from my constituency but from all over the state. There are lots of issues, burning issues you can say. So there are lots of motions, resolutions that need to be considered, lots of questions that to be raised. So whatever BAC has considered only for 5 days is very much constrained. It's not enough. At least 15 to 20 days should have been taken.